G'day everyone, it's great to see you. Luke here, and today I'm so excited to bring you these videos. I've had all this footage for a few years now and I've finally gotten the chance to throw it all together and share it with you. I guess one positive thing to bringing you these videos a couple years after the actual build is we will have the power of hindsight. So, as we go through, if there is something I wish I had have done differently, I will let you know. Now, I'm not the richest bloke going around and camping shouldn't have to be expensive. So the van we bought only cost us $4,700. It's an ex-tradie van. And not only is it our camper, but it's also my daily commute. So 2 birds, 1 van. We were able to complete this entire conversion spending about $2,000. That includes the fridge, the leisure battery, the wood, solar panel and all. So that brings the entire build to about $6,700. But after taking into account things I would have done differently and also looking at how much the items cost now, a few years later, you should be able to complete the build for a couple $100 cheaper than that. I will be sure to share with you what I bought, and I'll also leave a link to where I bought the items in the description below. I've also shared a link to my Pinterest page full of all the things that inspired me and can hopefully give you some ideas and inspiration too. In the top right hand corner, we'll keep track of the build's timeline. So please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Alrighty then, let's get it on! Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.